Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. Today we're going to be fitting some supplied parts to this Lotus here behind us. Before we get started though, if you could hit the subscribe button, that'd be great. So we supplied some running boards and some side pieces. We're going to be fitting them this morning and hopefully get the customer back on the road within 2 or 3 hours. So today what we've done is we've fitted these side guard pieces. I can't remember what these are called, and the side spats. So they've just been fitted with rib nuts. These ones are just a bolt-on job, and same with these. The hardest part was though to get in behind here. We had to pull the cooler out and pull all the inner guards out to make it work. So it's a great result. Certainly plenty of time goes into this kind of work. Thanks very much for watching.